Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy real estate law with Keller Williams step by step clearly. To begin deploying real estate law with Keller Williams, start by familiarizing yourself with local real estate regulations. Research state-specific laws that govern real estate transactions in your area. Attend relevant workshops or seminars offered by Keller Williams to deepen your understanding of the legal landscape. Join a local Keller Williams office or team to gain access to resources and mentorship. Develop a comprehensive understanding of contracts used in real estate transactions. Learn about disclosures, contingencies, and how they affect property sales. Set up a consultation with a real estate attorney to clarify any legal questions you may have. Implement a checklist for legal requirements when working with clients. Ensure you stay updated on changes in real estate laws by subscribing to legal newsletters or updates. Utilize Keller Williams resources, such as training modules and legal guides, to reinforce your knowledge. Engage regularly with colleagues to share insights and experiences regarding real estate law. Prepare yourself for any legal challenges by drafting clear and concise agreements with your clients. Document all interactions and transactions to protect yourself and your clients. Make it a point to explain legal concepts in straightforward terms to your clients. Create a flowchart to visualize the legal process involved in real estate transactions. Integrate technology tools that help ensure compliance with legal guidelines. Schedule regular reviews of your practices to identify areas for improvement or updates needed in your legal knowledge. Collaborate with your Keller Williams office to host informational sessions about real estate law for clients and agents. Seek feedback from your peers on how you handle legal aspects in your transactions. Commit to ongoing education in both real estate and legal matters for continued growth. Develop a strong relationship with local legal professionals to facilitate smoother transactions. By following these steps, you can effectively deploy real estate law within the framework of Keller Williams, ensuring both compliance and success in your career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.